Hey everybody, it's Dave Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo, and we have started to think a little bit about the holidays, and these white chocolate peppermint mini bars has really consumed my mind. So we've decided to do a series or a selection of several videos on white chocolate and peppermint. And we are going to start off today with white chocolate peppermint milkshake and a chocolate peppermint milkshake. So you can kind of see the variety of what we can do. The white chocolate peppermint mini bars are something that are absolutely delicious in and of their own. But as a curator, you always think, well, what could I do with that just to spice some ordinary thing up? And we're going to try several things with them. And it's not necessarily that you have to have the white chocolate mini bars, but if you did, that means you're supporting Cooking with KooKoo YouTube channel. And there'll be links to the white chocolate bars and some of the things that we do and how to get in touch with us and stuff throughout all our videos. So we decided we'd do a white or a vanilla version of white chocolate peppermint shake and a chocolate version of peppermint shake. So we're going to start with the vanilla. Get your blender handy, and we're going to start off with a 1/4 cup of just regular milk we had in the refrigerator, the 1% we use every day. Now we're going to see and do the KooKoo method of guesstimation with getting about 1.5 cups. We're shooting for a 12-ounce milkshake in this size glass right here. I have to say, here's a little secret. I don't get any cut or anything of that, but I really am a fan of vanilla ice cream, and some of the store-bought, if you will, vanilla ice cream that I have ever had in my life is this Kirkland brand from Costco. It is spectacular. So we have your peppermint mini bars. As I say, these are really cool. I was very skeptical about them, but they are awesome. They're Dove's signature. I'd encourage you to, if you want to find out a little bit about white chocolate, to watch our video, is white chocolate, real chocolate. So I'm just going to kind of break that up a little bit. And they do have peppermint on the back of them. Secret item for me is to make an over-the-top milkshake is about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Now, we blend this baby all up. Smoothie. Pretty nice and smooth. Oh, I'm impressed. We are going to dress it up a little. That's kind of the fun part. Whipping cream on there. Cherry on the top. Whoa! Maybe I better put another one. Cherry on the top. And then we ground up some peppermint bonbon types of things I had, and we thought we could use that as a garnish. So, it's kind of drizzling away, but there you go. A white chocolate mini peppermint bar shake. Oh. The thing I like about what we did is we didn't just jam pack or blast it with peppermint. It's very smooth, very subtle, and the blender seemed to grind up the white chocolate bar really well. This is like you went to the ice cream parlor. This is delicious. Gotta say, I surprised myself. So we're gonna go for another 2 in a row with what we're gonna call chocolate peppermint shake. what I think I should start with, because I kind of have an idea once again, the creative part in me wants to try something, and you know, this is on video. Sure, we can edit it out, no problem, but I want you guys to be able to see that anybody can do it. We use this Chef Select chocolate. It comes from our chefs develop. It's dark chocolate, mostly designed for cooking. So go in the microwave, put it on about 30, keep an eye on it. So the idea, what do you call that?
Decoration.
Modern art. Okay, so that kind of lines the inside of the glass there. Just to show, thought we'd try almond milk in this. You can try all kinds of stuff. About 1/4 cup. We can go with ice cream. Obviously sitting out, the neat part is it's got it a little bit so that it's easy to get out. 1 bar, I'll break that in 2. So the purpose of melting this was to get it so that it's down and it's smooth and doesn't come up into chunks when it's blending and gets more of a chocolate. This was sort of like a chocolate syrup. We get this going a little bit. Okay, and voila. Our garnish, if you will, has been around for a while, but I don't think it's around anymore. But we, lacking candy canes, which we thought we would be really nice, pretty little candy cane in there, thought we would give this a try. And these are called Peppermint Bites. So, these things are dark chocolate, and inside of there is peppermint. So we thought we would just give them a grind. So now we made a dark chocolate peppermint powder. Whipped cream, can't do with whipped cream. Sort of like anything you do, if you do a job, you know, when you kind of finish it off, food is, it makes it better. It tastes better if it looks good. There you have it. What we call our chocolate peppermint milkshake. Pretty nifty old noodles. So if you are new to YouTube, or even if you aren't, you like this video, would appreciate it if you would subscribe. That indicates you may want to come back, because we got lots of fun in store for you. We are more daily active on our KooKoo for KooKoo Facebook page. Like that, baby. And put a comment in below. Say what you really think. And let me tell you, superty-duperty good. And we are so pleased that you have taken the time to watch our video. Hope to see you soon. Dave Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo. Bye now.